Today I'm going to be making this Asda Smart Price Victoria Sponge that just says that you need 6 tablespoons of water, which I've got there, and an egg, and I've put my own ingredient there of custard. We'll put the flour. We're now just going to add this 6 tablespoons of water, and first give that a mix. From my experience previously, what it says is 6 tablespoons. You probably need to just add more to get the consistency smoother down. So you just mix it. Around in here. Just have to add more water until you get kind of a soft consistency. So you just put in water as you go, and then keep mixing it to get the right consistency. It's a bit more water, I think. Now give it a bit of a mix, and then come back to see once you've mixed it like this, and it's a consistency kind of like of that kind of normal cake mix. Then we'll add in our eggs. We've added our egg, as you can see, and mix that into it. Mix that in. Then we add in our custard. You want to mix that in, so you'll get kind of when it's all mixed in, you'll get kind of very strong yellow color. That's just from the custard. And then once that's mixed to the way that kind of consistency, then what you want to do is you want to get like 2 baking kind of, you want kind of the, I think silicone, yeah, the silicone round mold. Not, you want to just kind of get some bit of butter, and you just want to rub the sides and the base of it, and bake them separately, should I say, in the center of the microwave for 5.5 minutes, and then get a toothpick after the 5.5 minutes. Get a toothpick in the center of the cake, pull it out, it comes out clean, it's cooked. So yeah, 5.5 minutes, 5.5 minutes for both of these each. You want to bake them separately, and then once they're done, both, you want to give them about a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes maximum, to stand to cool, and then get a toothpick in the middle, it comes out clean, it will be baked. Here is the final cake. Please